Now I'd like to share a hyperlink to this Google slide presentation, and I'd like to share it on our Google slide presentation. So I'm going to go up to the hyperlink, double click on it, and then I can drag and drop it into my Google slide presentation, like this. And I'll drag it so that it fits in there. It's a dreadful looking hyperlink right now. I should be able to change that by clicking on it, click change, and changing the title. Winn-Dixie. Sample Google slideshow. There we go. I want to change the background to that. Go up here. Give it a background color. We're done.